You should have called me last night. 2 days again. I lost like leap years tonight. I'm caving in. And what do I say to you? What could I say to you? What should I say to keep you on my side, man? And I can't go on like it. I won't go on like it. I can't go on like it's all in my mind. 'Cause I don't wanna be working another night. And I don't wanna be wasting your time. My shadow calls me to you, the same again. I'm really not that see-through. I just pretend.